FANUC Alarm 8 dot, also written as SV0449 or SV0603. It is one of the most misread faults on Alpha I servo amplifiers, and getting it wrong can cost you a drive, a motor, or a full spindle. Let's break it down properly. First, the axis mapping. The digit that follows the dot on the amplifier display tells you which axis has faulted. 8 dot means the L axis, 9 dot is the M axis, A dot is the N axis. On a 2-axis amplifier, you will only ever see 8 dot or 9 dot. On a 3-axis unit, A dot is added. Next, the 2 fault codes behind the alarm. SV0449 is an IPM alarm, that is Intelligent Power Module. In plain terms, the power transistors inside the drive have detected a short circuit or an overcurrent condition on the motor output. This is instant and non-recoverable at the drive level. SV0603 is a soft thermal alarm. The amplifier has run hot for too long. Blocked fans, clogged filters, a stuck spindle, or continuous heavy cutting will all push the heatsink past its safe operating temperature. Now, the field procedure. Step 1. Do not reset and run. Every reset without a diagnosis risks another IPM event, which can take out the motor windings and backfeed into the control. Step 2. Isolate the machine, power down, and disconnect the motor power cable at the amplifier. Meg the motor windings phase to phase and phase to ground. Any reading below 1 megohm points to a failed motor or a damaged cable, not the drive. Step 3. Inspect the amplifier fans, the cabinet filters, and the heatsink for dust. Confirm the cabinet cooling unit is running. A single blocked filter can trigger SV0603 within minutes on a hot day. Step 4. Check the DC link and the dynamic brake resistor. A failed brake resistor or a shorted regen circuit shows up as an IPM fault under deceleration. Step 5. If the motor, cabling, and cooling are all healthy, the amplifier itself has failed and must be replaced with the exact A06B- spec. Alpha I drives are matched to the motor and to the CNC parameters. A near-miss part number will fault on power-up. A quick word on safety. The DC bus inside these drives holds lethal voltage for several minutes after power off. Always wait for the charge lamp to extinguish and verify with a meter before touching any terminal. Finally, replacement guidance. Genuine and refurbished A06B servo amplifiers, spindle drives, and encoders are held in UK stock, tested on FANUC test rigs, and dispatched same day. Whether it is a legacy Alpha, an Alpha I, or an older Series 16, 18, or 21 controller, our team can cross-reference the correct part and get your machine back into production. Visit cncspares.co.uk for stock, part lookup, and technical support.